What up? What up? What's going on out there, YouTube? Man, about to pull the Harley out today. Probably about to wash it right quick, man, before I do a little riding. She's dirty though. She's dirty, especially sitting out here, man, in my garage. It's killing me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, wash it right quick. Get y'all a little footage on. Y'all ain't even heard it yet, so I'm gonna let y'all see what she sound like. Spigs and everything, you know. Pull out right quick, y'all. Go ahead and get it right. What y'all think, man? Here she is. 2000 Harley Davidson Street Glide. Got to clean it up for the first time. My first time cleaning a Harley, washing a Harley, that is. So I ain't no professional by far. If y'all seen me making any mistakes while I was washing it, let me know. Leave me in the comments. Yeah, I think she all right though, man. I'm about to really pull it out for the first time today though. I rode her home the other day, but I ain't really had a chance to ride it yet. Been raining. So I'm about to pull out today though, feeling good out here, about 70-something degrees, good riding weather. Got the day off too, man. Let's go. Did a little bit of adjustments to it. I adjusted my highway pegs right there, so the way that I want them pretty much. Changed the phone mount on it. The phone mount that was on it, it wouldn't fit my phone. It was a little bit too small for my phone. So I put my old phone mount from my M50, took that off, put it up there, like this cup over there. Be kicked back with my feet back here like that, man. What y'all think? I'm going here and I was about to take a shower, man, get ready to hop on this thing myself. Let go. just want to show y'all what it looked like cleaned up though a little bit. Not nothing too serious, like I ain't really getting into detail here. Probably over the weekend I might do that. I think I'm gonna take the bags off and the seat off, do a little deep cleaning. These bags and everything is quick connect. If y'all want to see that, I'll show that to y'all if y'all want to see it though. They come off real easy. But yeah, this is gonna be it, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Go home.